Philip Mann with Kappler. Today I want to review a topic that we actually covered back in the summer, and we were talking about the distinction between decontamination and cleaning. Now, historically, we think of decontamination as being the cleaning of chemicals from a garment, and cleaning being the removal of dirt, grease, and grime. But I want to expand on that just a little bit. The NFPA committee that I participate on is finishing up a document, NFPA 1891, on selection, care, and maintenance of chemical protective clothing. And in that document, they define several different terms. Gross decontamination, they talk about removal of chemicals from the exterior of the garment to assist in doffing that garment safely. And that can be done with water, neutralizing agents, brushes, and that type of thing. Then they talk about cleaning, which again could be soil, dirt, grease, and grime, but then also they use the word contaminants. So it's almost like a second phase of cleaning a garment that's designed for reuse after that gross decontamination has occurred. Then they use the words disinfect and sanitize, which primarily mean the removal of some type of infectious agent from the garment. So they use those four different terms. Now for me, again, I think of decontamination occurring on the outside of the garment, because hopefully that's the only place that contamination can occur. I think of, disinfecting a garment typically as cleaning the inside of the garment from people's sweat and that sort of thing. It may or may not have infectious agents on it. But then, of course, with COVID, it's changed things in that people are now concerned about removing infectious agents from the exterior of the garment. So once again, trying to distinguish between decontamination, which is removing chemicals, cleaning, which is the secondary removal of chemicals and dirt, grease, and grime, and then disinfecting and sanitizing to address the infectious agent concern. I hope this review has been helpful, and for those that have had additional questions about it, maybe this helped to answer those as well. Philip Mann with Kappler. Have a great holiday.